Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shoikat and today I am here with a new another homepage design video. So I made a AC repair service homepage design and you can easily download this template for your own practice purpose and for your client purpose. So let's start.
So first we will talk about the hero section, and you can see a fade transition is showing here. So if I click the first container, first you click the structure and select container, and if I click style, so here you can see classic image, gradient, video, slideshow. So I have used slideshow and I use here three images, and the transition here I do fade. So here you can see slide right, slide left, slide up, slide down. So all those options is available here. So here if I click the container, and you can see under this section I have take a container, and this is the container, and I take a icon list here, and then take a heading, and then here take a text area, and then here you can see button, and then it is image, and here is the experience. So I take a container, and inside the container I take three child container. You can call it child container, or you can call it columns, and then below the section I have take a media carousel. So here is showing a slider, and the next section you can see the solution, expert HVAC solution. Under the section I have take two container, and then I have used a short code. So if I click published, and if I click preview changes, so we can see how look like the slider. So here you can see, if I hover over this image, then you can see the heading and the text area is showing, and also it is a slider. If I go back, then features section. So here I have added a features section. So you can see that what I have done here, I just this section, if I click advanced and motion effect, and here you can see sticky option. So I just do it sticky top, and then stay in column. So I do it yes, and then this section I have taken also the slideshow option, and here I did it before like hero section, and the next section is about us, and this is our tab section. I take a tab element, and this section I take a image. Here you can see image. I have taken image element, and here I use a tab section, history, mission, vision. These are about section, you can see. Okay, and here you can see customer satisfaction rate. So it is a heading, and it is a progress bar. So I have taken here a progress bar. Then our inventory. So I take a section, and under this section I take two container, and it is a button. I just remove the background. You can see if I click style, you can see I remove the padding, and the background color I do it transparent, so there is nothing showing, means background color is not showing. And here also I have taken tab container. If I click next heading, so you can see image has been changed. So next section you can see also reliable support, and also I have did it the past section here. Okay, sorry. So here I have used sticky option. Similarly I also here I also apply the sticky option, so that's why it is showing. And then our workflow, how will we work. So this is three container, under a container three child container, and then you can see the testimonial section. Here I also used a shortcut, and it is also showing a slider option. If I preview, this page. Okay, so here you can see a testimonial slider is showing. Okay, and here I used dummy content. So when you use this template, you do it according your real customer feedback. You put here customer feedback. When visitor come, they will trust you that it is a genuine service. So that's why you whenever you put testimonial in your website, so make sure that the testimonial will be real. And if I go back, and then client experience, so here similarly I have used the slideshow. If I click style, so here you can see slideshow. I have used similar where I did it before in hero section. Okay, and then FAQ section, here you can see I have taken a icon list, and here I have taken a accordion, so it is showing like this. Okay, and the next part is footer. So if I click footer section, then you can understand. So here you can see I have take a section here, and under this section I take 3 container, and here you can see I take another section, and I take a heading, and then I take another container. First I take a container, then I align it, direction is down, so by default it is column direction is vertical, so by default it is vertical, and I take a container, and then I take another container. If I click here structure, so you can see if I click here, then I take a button, and you can say take another container. So here you can see this container. Under this container I take a container where I put a button, and take another container, I put a heading, and then you can see here I have add my services, important links, so you can add things according your objective. And then next section I have add here address, contact details, and the social media icon. So this is how you can make this website. And one more thing I will tell you, that whatever I have done here, you just do it yourself. Changes, change color, change font, change the background images, so you play with it, so you can get confident. Okay, if you do something wrong, then you delete the template and you import it again and you use it, so you feel like you work in a live project, so it's build the confident. Okay, and if you want to start AC repairing service businesses, and in front summer is coming, so if you want to start AC servicing businesses locally, so you can use this template and you can modify it and customize it according your business objective. So and one more thing I will tell you, that when you make a website, the website should tell the visitors what to do next in 5 seconds. If you can't do these things, you can lose the customer and your visitors do not convert in your client. So how will you get this template? You just type in your search bar techgear.in.net/template and hit the enter button. And sometimes you see this type of message, so it is happened because I am using a local hosting, so sometimes it is showing DNS issue, so that's why it is showing. So you just click continue to the site, and here you scroll down, and here you can see this is the AC repairing service homepage. You just click the download button, download here, and it is redirect to my Google Drive, and from here you can download this template. And after download it, you get a zip file. You just unzip the file, and from here you just click template, and you can see import template. You just click the import template and you choose the file from your desktop. Okay, so this is how you can import this file and you can use this template.
Okay, so that's all for today. And if you think that this video will help you a little bit, then like this video and press the bell icon, so I will keep update this type of informative and real practical example website design template for you. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.